Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSE 2017. Okay, question 55. Okay, so the question is consider the following C code. So he is asking what will be the output of the code. Okay, so the code seems really simple or short, right? Yes. So let us write it down clearly. So this question belongs to IT, I think. So IT examination paper. Okay, sorry. It's CS or IT. So both are same, right? Yes. Okay. So GATECSIT 2017. The only reason why I thought it's IT paper is because in some years we are having IT and CS separate papers, guys. Okay. Yes. Okay, so let me write it down clearly. Okay, so now let us write the addresses also because they might help us, right? So here we are calculating with respect to address or something. Okay, 200, 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, 209, 210, 211. Okay, yes. Okay, so now we have assigned it. So now C is pointing to the first location. Okay. So the next thing is char star P equal to C. So now P is pointing to this location. So basically P is indirectly pointing to that location only, right? Yes. Okay. So now print percentage D int strlen of. Okay. So here we are trying to calculate the overall length, some kind of overall length or something, right? So here we are using int strlen of this whole thing. So what is the exact value of C, guys? Okay. So let us observe carefully. Okay, so the value of a C is 200, right? Yes. So 200 plus what we are doing 2 of P. So remember, so if you write P of 2, it is the second element in P array, right? Yes. Similarly, if it is a 2 of P, it is nothing but second index element in P array. Okay. Yes. So what is that? So if it is P array, so what will be the address, guys? So this will be the thing, guys. So it is nothing but a T, right? Yes. Similarly, minus 6. So what is at 6th location? It is nothing but I. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So T minus I minus 1. Right? Yes. So this is the final formula or something which you can say is the result, right? Yes. Okay. Okay. So now let us continue. So now the result is okay, sorry for that, guys. Okay, so it is nothing but 200 plus what is the ASCII value of a T, guys? So basically whenever you are adding a character with a number, so always you need to convert this number into a a character into a number. So we use ASCII value. So what is the ASCII value of I, guys? It is nothing but 84 minus what is the ASCII value of T, right? Yes. So so here it is a T, right? Yes. And here it is I. So what is the value of ASCII value of T? It is 73. And what is the ASCII value of I? That is 84. So you are doing minus 1 again. Okay. So now what will be the result, guys? Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm just a bit confused with this. Just give me a second. So P of 2. Okay, so P of 2 means that this is a T, right? So here it is a T and here it is I. So what is the ASCII value of a T? So the ASCII value of T is 84 and the ASCII value of I is 73. Got it? Yes. So you can just cross check it with respect to ASCII table, guys. Okay. Yes. So now if you solve it, it is nothing but 200 plus. So what is the difference here? It is 11 minus 1. So what will be the result? It is nothing but 210, right? Yes. So at index 210, from index to n, whatever it is there, you are going to calculate its length, right? Yes. So where is the index 10, guys? So this is the index 10. So from here, how many characters are there? So the length, the number is 17. So if you print percentage, yes, it will print 17. So what is that length? So it is a 1, it is a 2. So the length will be 2. So we are converting it into and we are printing it in percentage. So 2 will be the result. Got it? Yes. So the only thing which you should have an idea is about the ASCII values. That's it. So that is the only thing which you should remember in this question. Okay? Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on this question. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.